This is a quick video, but have you ever worked with memory foam? I'm building some bunk beds here. It can be 2 beds there, 2 beds there, some ladders, but check out this mattress. When you break the seal, it like inflates to a full-size mattress. Vacuum seal blows up. Pretty awesome stuff. Get the bed started. That's ready. 6 Okay, well, I guess this is like 2 carpentry videos mixed together. One set of bunk beds finished, the next one started. Today's progress, I got the wall, which it's a bead board, and I got a column on each end, and then the start of my 2 columns, which the room's 9 foot, so I'm gonna have to make a, joint right there, but I'm going to cover the joint with the paneling, the 1x around it. Anyways, much love around the globe. Thanks for supporting me on my Patreon, on my Spreadshirt. Anybody who tries to watch every single video. And always my moderators and all the moderators on YouTube. And Rosie, I miss you. Trying to make you proud. And this one I get to be the designer, kind of with the There'll be 4 beds there before you know it. Here to put the drawers on here. I'm here to put the drawers on, get them fixed. But there's a pretty close to finished product while it's quiet in here. And this is for you, Cat Kankin. I love the questions. I love when people ask questions about what I'm doing, because this is where I have focused my energy for most of my life in this craft. You know, painting, becoming a filmmaker, performance artist, goofy comedian, whatever. That's all new to me still compared to this. But see, Cat, this top bunk, I use solid oak. It's a really hard, instead of poplar like the face frame, I use oak for the center of it. It is glued and screwed to the studs in the back. It is glued to this back wall and this column. It's nailed to the studs on that wall and glued to that. So all this is kind of locked in place. You see what I mean? And after I've laid out you see the headboard there basically? After I've laid out the headboard, there will be a window in each one that I cut out so they can see back and forth to each other. And right here is the cool spot. Check this out. This is where they're going to be able, it's going to just be a bench seat right here. They're going to have access to the whole thing. So if the kids want to play hide and seek, this is like one of the hide and seek places. This has been a cool set and a quick set. I built it fairly fast, being that there's no drawers, there's just more beds. There will be a lift up seat right there in the middle and four windows. But like I said, I hope you enjoyed these carpentry videos. I'm gonna go hide in case somebody try to see me. I'll be down here, okay? Tell anybody. Don't tell Mom. See what I mean? It's like a cool little hiding spot. Also, real quick, to show how strong it is, that's glue all the way down it. Glue is the stuff that holds carpentry together. My original boss said to me when I was starting off, if it's not bleeding out, you're not doing it right. And the nails are there just until the glue holds. Okay, I guess since we filmed it, might as well film me doing it. That was fun. Alright, see you guys later. I'm out of here. Time to lock down the old saw. Dusty old saw. Love you guys. This video was brought to you by
Jones
Productions. Jones Productions, that's right. Thank you for joining us at Jones Productions. Much love to our number one, Maud Rosie. We love you. No filming today except for this. Wanted to get a lot done. Whoop-boom! So, I'm gonna get the ladders, railing, paneling, and then I still have to figure out where the two windows are, or four, and cut them out and trim them.